2025 CR 013304 and 2025 CR 016023-02 State versus David Crenshaw. Can I have parties announced?
David A. Garcia, attorney for David Crenshaw.
Hello, Mr. Crenshaw.
Hello,
Are you Mr. Crenshaw?
that's me.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, and we have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Crenshaw, in each of these cause numbers, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do on both cases, Judge.
State and cause number ending in 04, the evading, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're awaiting the punishment.
No
Any
objection.
And the cause number ending in -02, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No objection, Judge.
All right. And each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
All right. And the cause number ending in 04, you're charged with evading arrest detention with a previous conviction. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in -02, you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have pleas with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. And each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, and he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, and he is.
Mr. Crenshaw, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, they have not.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, they have not.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Definitely am.
I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported for non-naturalization and re-entry. Did you understand?
I do.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did.
Okay, according to the plea and the cause number ending in 04, punishment is to be assessed at 207 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There is no fine and no applications. And the cause number ending in 04, according to your plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, no applications. And this will run concurrently with 2025 CR 016022-02. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I did.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State?
Judge, the other cause number ending in 02, I'm not providing under oath. It's supposed to be different.
Oh, no, you wrote it correctly. I did not read it correctly.
Oh, okay.
So that will be taken in consideration, 2025 CR 016022-02. And these cases will be running concurrently. Did you understand that to be your plea?
I did.
All right. Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I do.
Counsel, any such motions?
They've been filed but not heard, Judge.
And the cause number in 04, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And the cause number ending in -02, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
States one in attachments.
We reviewed states one and all attachments in both cases, Your Honor. We have no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. And each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
I understand.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
I do.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In cause number 2025 CR 013304, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing in that cause number, counsel?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, my client understands he made a mistake, made some poor decisions. We were set for trial. We were ready to go to trial, but we were able to work with the state and work out a deal that I think works out for both parties and society. We're asking that you follow the deal, and he's been in for quite a while, so we're asking, and I believe the state's in agreement with that the judgment be satisfied.
All right. Under that cause number, the court will sentence you. Well, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 207 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. Court will show that the judgment is satisfied. This is run concurrent with 2025 CR 016023-02. There's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. And that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I do.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I do.
All right, next we're going to proceed in 2025 CR 016023-02. All right, in that cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I believe you've heard it all, Judge.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 013304. Taking consideration 2025 CR 016022-02. I recommend the therapeutic community. That's to help you with any issues you may have, be it mental or any drug issues. There's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal in that cause number? Did you understand it and sign it?
I do.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over that, what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Make better decisions, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
All right.
Here you go. Here's your copies. Okay.